A real wild beauty. The old mouth from Manipur. It's so beautiful. You can see just now. It's a snake-headed mouth. See how beautiful is this.
Butterfly.
To say butterfly? 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 Butterfly. You should show your hand. Just touch. Yeah. Yeah, it's so wild beauty. Yeah.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
See, butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly.